Y'all, come on now. Look. Hey y'all, I'm Rochelle and this is Reese's Rizzos. Welcome. If it's your first time visiting me today, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. All you have to do is click on that big bright red subscribe button, and then after clicking on the subscribe button, click on the bell, because the bell is what's going to turn on your notifications, and then that way you'll never miss another one of my videos. I promised y'all this video a long time ago, so I'm glad we're finally able to get to it. I promised y'all this video on how to add more volume to your hair or how to thicken your curls up a little bit more, especially if you have finer curls. So I've got a lot to cover, so let's just go ahead and hop into it. So let me go ahead and start off with some of my favorite products. These are products that I've been using for a little over a year now, products that I've mentioned on my channel way too many times. Let's go first with the Aveda Thickening Tonic. Y'all, I swear by this thing. I'm pretty sure there's magic in here because I can't fathom the thought that like 1 or 2 sprays of this will give me instant volume. I don't understand how it's possible. I haven't been able to find the Aveda Thickening Tonic anywhere else outside of Aveda salons. So if you have an Aveda salon in your area, then hop on over and you can go pick one up. If you're looking to buy it online though, I have some links that I'm going to leave down in the description box below of all the products that I'm going to announce today. You can find it on the Aveda website, but you can also find it on Amazon. Now the instructions say to spray it on hair that is towel dried or damp. I don't use it that way. I actually spray it on hair that is 100% dry. I'll spray it in areas that are a little finer, maybe some areas that don't have that much hair or that are lacking a bit of volume. By the way, I do have low density curls. I don't have that much hair. A lot of people think that I have more hair than I do. I don't. I have fine, low density curls, which is why videos like these are crucial for me and people like me. But like I said, I'll just spray it and then I'll massage it in and then I'll get instant volume. Let me show y'all. So basically I would just give a couple sprays, do a little massage action, and I'll basically massage until I feel whatever was wet start to become a bit tacky. Or not tacky, but just a little more stiff. Y'all, come on now. Look. Hands down, one of my all-time favorite products, Aveda Thickening Tonic. You need this in your life. Now the Aveda Thickening Tonic does a really good job at giving me instant volume at the root, but a product that I love to use that gives me a bit more oomph in my curls, that give me a bit more of like a juicier, thicker curl would be the DiscoCurl Believe-In. It's the DiscoCurl Believe-In Miracle Curl Plumper. I went through a smaller tube of this and now I'm on to the pump. Y'all, a little goes a long way. You don't need a whole lot. The slip is incredible, you guys. You can start off with using this before applying any other styling product and it'll just glide right through your curls. I just know whenever I use this, I get a fuller curl. Now it doesn't help with definition, so if you do want a more defined curl, I would say go with something after this that would help with definition, but this definitely does give your curl a much thicker appearance, much fuller look. I found the DiscoCurl Believe-In in Ulta, in Sephora, and obviously on DiscoCurl's website, and then also on Amazon. So I don't know if y'all remember, but before the Aveda Thickening Tonic, I used to go crazy over the Shea Moisture Youcan Plantain Root Lifting Styler. So recently I found something that is very similar and actually does the exact same thing. So I'm wondering if they just like put a different label on it, but it's the Shea Moisture Dragon's Blood and Coffee Cherry Volume and Lifting Spray. It says lift and plump up for flat, thinning hair. Y'all, this does the same thing as the Root Lifting Styler. I've only used it about four times now, and it's given me the same results from whenever I had used the root lifting styler in the past. Now this one I did spot at Ulta whenever I purchased it. The thing with Shea Moisture products though is that sometimes they have so many lines that sometimes you'll find certain lines in certain places and then others you won't see again until they restock like forever later. So if you are interested in trying this, I would say if you can't find it in any of the stores that normally carry Shea Moisture products, you can definitely find it on Shea Moisture's website. Like I said, it literally gives me the same results as when I had used the Root Lifting Styler. So what I'll do is I'll leave some reference links below of videos where I have used the Root Lifting Styler, and so that way you can kind of get an idea on how it works and how to use it. So the next product I'm going to show y'all is another DiscoCurl product. It is the DiscoCurl Frizz Free Volumizing Foam. This is great for my girls that have fine curly hair. It is a foam, so it's lightweight, it's airy, so your curls are just gonna be a lot more fluffier to the touch, but then they'll also appear a little more fuller. So the way that I love to use this is after applying the Believe-In Miracle Curl Plumper. This product doesn't really leave my curls moisturized though. Y'all know that I have a really big moisture issue, that I constantly need to be deep conditioning my curls to get the moisture, but if y'all don't have that problem, I would say you wouldn't have a problem in using this product. But for those of y'all who are like me that need the moisture, I would say maybe go for the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. Now this product does give good definition for girls who have finer curls. Because it's a foam, it's very lightweight, but it's still moisturizing. The thing is that it doesn't give as much volume as the Diva Curl Frizz-Free Volumizing Foam. But because it is something that is lightweight, but still moisturizing, what I do is I'll just kind of fluff it up using some of the tools that I'll show y'all in just a second. So it's kind of a cross between the two. It just kind of depends on the type of hair that you do have. Now the next product that I'm gonna mention, I've actually only tried once, but I was blown away at the results. And the reason why I was prompted to try this product in the first place is because I saw my friend Rochelle of DiscoCurlsTV do a review on it. She also has a YouTube channel here on YouTube. I'll leave a link down in the description box of the video where she basically gave a full review on this product. For those of y'all who have fine curly hair, I would definitely recommend checking out her channel because she's got great tips and great tutorials and great product recommendations for girls with fine curly hair. But back to the product, it is the Hask Biotin Boost Thickening Cream. You guys, the only reason why I haven't implemented this in every single style routine since I have tried this product is because I'm testing out some products that were sent for review. But y'all, I just love the results that I get after using this product. They just look juicier, they look thicker, they look more plump. Now the way I used to do that one time was with my Holy Grail products because I wanted to see the difference that it would make because I'm so used to seeing and knowing what my curls look like, and it was with the Kinky Curly Not Today and the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I would apply the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner first, and then I went in after with the thickening cream. After I applied the thickening cream all throughout my curls, then I applied just a little bit of Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Usually I go ham with the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Y'all know that I go heavy-handed with that. I wanted to see the difference in my hair after emphasizing this product when I used it on my curls, and y'all, I got nice, luscious, plump curls. Like they just looked thicker, they looked more full. Shout out to Rochelle for recommending this product. I'm glad you did a video on this because now it's one of my favorites too. I was able to make it a day 5 hair. Now granted, on day 4 and day 5 I did have frizz, so obviously we'd need to touch those up with a little bit of styling products and a little bit of water, but still, like, I was able to make it a 5-day hair with nice, full, luscious, and thick curls. All right, y'all, so we're almost done. Now we're moving on to hair tools, and the first thing I'm gonna mention is a hair pick. If you are someone with curly hair, this is, I would say, a necessity. So this is definitely something that's gonna give you more lift, and the way you use it is you're basically putting it as close to the roots as possible and giving it a little tug or like a little lift. You're just lifting at the root, and what it's gonna do is just gonna give you an added bit of volume. There are different styles and different types of hair picks that you're gonna find. I got this one at Sally's like 3 or 4 years ago, and it was $2, I think. I'm pretty sure it was like $2. This is definitely a curly hair essential. You need this in your life, and your curls are going to thank you. Now, the last tool that I'm gonna mention is a diffuser. But in this particular video, I don't wanna just mention any diffuser. I'm actually gonna mention the Diva Fuser. Now, y'all know that I'm a really big fan of air drying, but in the event that I want more volume instantly, then I go for a diffuser. The diffusers that I normally use give me great definition, but this particular diffuser does help a lot with giving lift at the root. So it's gonna give you the volume that you're looking for. This Diva Fuser attachment, I got at Ulta, and I like it because it fits on nearly any blow dryer nozzle or like any blow dryer nose. So the reason why I'm mentioning this particular diffuser in this video is because with other diffusers, the ones that are more like a bowl, it gives you really great definition. As far as volume, if you want good volume around the crown or the top of your head, what you'd have to do is you'd have to lean over, press it on your head, and you're basically giving added definition or added shrinkage. Your curls are gonna be a lot more tightly wound because you're pressing it on top of your head. With the Diva Fuser, with it being more of a claw or a hand, you're able to place it right at the root or right on top of your head, and you're giving yourself the lift without adding any more shrinkage to the rest of your hair. I actually don't get great definition using the Diva Fuser. I get good definition using a typical bowl-like diffuser. But this is really amazing when it comes to getting volume, especially at the crown or at the top of your head. So if you are someone that has fine curly hair and you're looking for that added volume at the top, I would say go with the Diffuser, the claw. All right, y'all, so that's everything that I wanted to cover in this video. If you liked it and you found it helpful, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. And let me know in a comment below if you've tried any of these products or any of these tools to get fuller hair, thicker hair, a bit more volume in your curls. And let me know in a comment below if there's something that you're trying that I didn't mention that gives you more volume, that gives you thicker and fuller curls, because I want to try it. So let us know what it is in a comment below. Don't forget that you can find me on Instagram at Risa's Rizzos. And if you're interested in binge watching my videos, you can find this playlist over here that's filled with videos that will help you with your transition. If you've got heat damage, that's where you want to start. And then I've got a playlist down there that's filled with videos that you can find DIY products. These are hair products that you can do right at home. And that's basically it. I love y'all. Un besito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.